G'day, I'm Peter from Total Bathrooms, the family business with the Aussie connection. That's me. We're based down here on the Brassmill Lane Trading Estate, and we've been here for nearly 23 years. As you can see, there's plenty of parking, and today we're going to give you a tour of the showroom.
Hi, I'm Tom. Welcome to the showroom. When you arrive, you'll be greeted by a friendly staff member on the front desk there. And then you've got two options. There's the left-hand side is the main showroom, and then the right-hand side is our designer studio area. I'll take you there now. This is the studio showroom area. It's got more designer and high-end brands. The displays here have got inspiration for different room layouts and also tiling options. This is the main area of the showroom, where we've got a huge variety of toilets, basins, baths and showers, all in various sizes so you can try them out. And it's great quality without the designer price tag. Next, I'm going to show you the clearance area. Welcome to the ever so popular clearance section. Now you'll spot a small area downstairs at the back of the showroom. Don't forget to ask a staff member to take you upstairs, where we've got this huge area full of clearance and factory seconds products, all at great discount prices.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. We do offer free home surveys within a 15-mile radius of Bath. So why not get in contact and book one of those, or come on down and let us transform your day every day with a brand new bathroom from Total Bathrooms.